Hello, good morning, fans. How are you? Hope you're okay. All right, we are back again at BRUSUBI, where we are doing a reinforcement foundation. As we tell you previously that the Soakaway was too close to the building and it's taking water to the foundation. We've shown you that before on our previous video, so we're still on it. When we dig down, we discover so many things that need to be adjusted before we start casting. We're sorry we're supposed to do the casting today, but we have to do some amendment and adjustment of all these things. Let me take the camera down to show you. We'll find out the pipe used here was not a good one, and we're supposed to use push fittings here, not metal. This galvanized metal, now the one they have these days are not like what they used to have before, so this one gets rusted. It's not been long. This building doesn't last up to 10 years, but you see it gets rusted. So push fittings, as I will show you, it's a plastic, it's rubber like this, but it doesn't rust. You know, plastic don't rust on the ground. So that's what they're supposed to use, and the elbow around there. So we got to change. You see the other one over there is rusted, and the elbow right there is rusted. So we get to change all this. We're going to change the pipe, not very good one, but the plastic type is good, but this one was not a very good one, so we want to change all. All right. Get the camera around. You see? And also this one was having problem, so we'll get to change it also. See, the plumber is working very hard to make sure that is sorted out. That's our plumber. He's working very hard to make sure that is sorted out. So we want to change the plumbing fittings first before we start putting down the iron. But as I'm talking to you right now, the iron is being made, and the Living Solution team are here right now, like you know them, Abao and Silence. So they're digging from this side, this end now. They are finished from the other end. They're digging from this end now. That is Slim, taking out the sand. And that's Abao. Abao, how are you this morning?
Fine, you doing, sir?
All right. Slim, how are you this morning?
Fine.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. So the work is going on, as you see. That's the pipe. It's the original pipe from Living Solution Engineering Shop. See how the original pipe looks like. And we're going to change some pipe that break up the other side. Let me put down the materials and show you what I was explaining to you. This is called push fits. They are push fit fittings. You see, I want to show you what is this, what we have to change in that place. When a pipe, mostly our soil here, I don't know the soil over there, but our soil here, when a pipe is buried, it has to be something, materials made with plastic. Original one, anyway, not the fake one. So you see, this is galvanized T, and we have to replace it with, this is galvanized T. See that, what that is? And because this will rust, like what you see, it will rust. This building is not up to 10 years. It started rusting. Imagine when you go up to 20, 30 years, then you start having underground leakage. And when the ties are up, the digging will be going inside the ground, so you won't know where your problem comes from. Sorry. So we replace it with this. This one doesn't rust on the ground. As long as this building stands, plastic don't rust. You see, for instance, when we were digging, we find this out in the ground. Nothing happened to it for 10 years. It has been here, nothing happened. So plastic don't rust on the ground. So we replace this thing. This is the right thing that's supposed to be here. That's push fit materials. We call this push fit materials here. And you see the angle, elbow, we call it elbow. So we will replace with this. If I put that right, you see this elbow is rusting. See that? So more years to come, it will start leaking. See where it will start leaking? More years to come, it will start leaking. So replace to this. This is the right materials that are supposed to have been used here, because they don't rust. For hundreds of years, they will still stay like this. That's if you're the original. So put that back among the materials. Peel all this off. That's what delay us to retile it back right now. We must fix every fault on the ground before we cover. And we brought cement, a lot of bags of cement yesterday. You can see that. So we're ready to go, but we have to solve some problems underneath before we could put this up. Right? Like as I said, we're building a reinforcement pillar. So that's the guy, a beam. Reinforcement foundation, so we have to go with beam. That's that the iron guys, the team of Living Solution Engineering, we call this section iron bending section. They do all the iron work for beams and everything. So the teams are working actually because there's no space in the compound, so we have to bend them on the street. Yes, I can see my brother, the iron bender, is having a lot of work to do with bending the iron. You can see him. That's my iron bender. He is a professional to this field. Just like what I said on my previous video, this is what we want the youth to be doing. Instead of them taking drugs in the street or carrying guns in the street, disturbing the peace of the community, they can be encouraged. Seeing our young youth doing this, they can be encouraged to have an handwork. Like my iron bender here, he do this to earn his living. He's married. He feed his family with this job. As you can see what he's doing right now. Brother, you are facing my fans right now all over the world. I would like to interview you. So many people in Europe, in America are watching you right now on this YouTube channel. I want to ask your name and what your occupation to Living Solution Engineering. What is your name, brother? His name is Abu Azil. I just want you to know his name. He's a very hard-working guy who you have seen already what he's doing right now. And yes, so that's we want to know the measurement of this iron that you bend. What measurement do you bend already?
26 millimeters. This one is 28 by 28.
28 by 28 size. 28. All right. Thank you very much. Abdul, we are very grateful you are working with Living Solution Engineering, and you have been doing a great job. Please, fans, drop a comment with what you are seeing us doing. I focused my camera on the street last time. I tell you we are filling up See how the street looks like. I just want to show you what the plumber is doing right now. You see, like what I said, look at this, rusting. It's not even healthy. If I can show you inside of the pipe, let me see if my camera can. Inside of the pipe, I'll get back to you. So let me put my hand and show you. See, it's not even healthy. So you didn't use galvanized metal. See, healthy, it's rusting. See, the plumber is taking out the pipe right now, replacing with a new pipe. And that's what I was explaining to you about the bolt joint. You can see. So that's what it's supposed to be, not what it was. Like, cut this off there and change the pipe and everything. Get back to you guys. Going down right now. See the crack? See the foundation move. You can see that. You can see. I forgot to show you guys ever since. See that? See that? The foundation move. You guys can see that. See the foundation cracks. Take that off. We're going to solve the problem, and we will never have that problem again. No matter how closer the Soakaway is to the building, we'll never have that problem again. Right? Plumber is working very hard over there, as you can see him. Another is taking a rest. Yes, taking a rest. It's a hard job. Let me go to the plumber now.